George here from Water Safety Products, and this is the BigEasy Trainer. The BigEasy Trainer has been designed to raise the bar for CPR training, making peer-to-peer training more realistic than ever. The BigEasy Trainer lets students train for reality, taking pretend out of the equation. A rescuer in training can deliver real rescue breaths to a simulated victim, safely and effectively so that their airways never cross paths. Here's how it works. Place your BigEasy Trainer on top of your CPR mask. The rescuer will breathe into the mask, and you can actually breathe into it. And when you breathe in, your air will be diverted out the side of the product. For the person who's wearing the CPR mask that has it on their face, they will be able to breathe through these legs right here at the bottom. So those two air pathways will never cross paths. The BigEasy Trainer is also compatible with most adult, child, and infant CPR masks on the market, and including BVMs too. This product is versatile and you can use it anywhere, whether that be on land or in water. It is appropriate for whatever your training needs are. Here are a few tips for how to use the BigEasy Trainer in your CPR classes. First, before beginning your training, label all of your BigEasy Trainers with the appropriate names of the person using them. Likewise, label their CPR masks, valves, or bladders that go with them so that each individual component has an assigned trainer. Set the standard for your class by letting everyone know how they will be attaching the BigEasy Trainer to their CPR masks. In most cases, we would suggest placing the BigEasy Trainer right on top of your CPR mask. This will ensure clean, efficient, and safe transitions between your students and training scenarios. It's important that when attaching the BigEasy CPR Trainer, you push it down firmly and attach it to the CPR mask. Especially if you'll be doing trainings in and around the water, make sure that it is pressed all the way down. The BigEasy Trainer is for training use only. Students should be encouraged after trainings to put their BigEasy Trainer in their pocket, in their fanny pack, or in their personal bag so that they are not tempted to use it in a real life scenario. That's also why the BigEasy Trainer is neon yellow, so it's bright and easy to see so that you as a trainer can remind them to remove it from the mask when the time is right. As another Water Safety Products original, this training device is unlike any other ever. Considering its size, functional versatility, and excellent price point, the BigEasy Trainer gives you a whole new level of value for money for your CPR training equipment. Visit watersafety.com to step up your training and get yours today.